So we're now in the middle of our hiking. We're going down already. So we're taking a break, and I think we already have 3.50 miles since we started hiking. And in our break, this is what we have: the yogurt. There you go. And also I brought some electrolyte and yeah, 6 pieces of walnuts protein. So the hard part there is going up to the peak of Mount Fremont. It's so windy. The scary part is the pathways that you're going to take is so narrow. Maybe siguro mga 20 inches. So it's a cliff on the left side. So, and it's so rocky and slippery. The wind is so strong. So if we're going to continue that, since the park police already told us from the beginning that they closed the Fremont because of the wind. It's dangerous for the climbers, the hikers. So, but then we insist to go up there because we found some bikers. As we go along, we're maybe about almost 0.2 miles up to the peak. We decided to stop and go back. So, because of the wind, some of the hikers also decided not to continue. So, there you go. So, it's a good experience, very challenging, especially for us as a senior. So, we did enjoy it, and this is an achievement and accomplishment for us as a senior. We do this because, well, we think about when are we going to do it. We're already seniors, so might as well do it now. While we can still do it, so we do it. So there you go. So a lot of people now, it's there you go. Yeah. So I put some sunblock. Did you put sunblock, right? But it looks like my face burned still. But very nice. Hopefully you guys can see this place, Mount Rainier. So many mountains, so many places to see. If you want to do it now. I advise you to do it now. It's really nice. This is once in a lifetime that you can do it. You please your life with something like this. Okay, so we're going to start eating our yogurt, and we're still maybe about halfway going down from the mountain. Okay, so thank you. God bless.